Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Citibank account with the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to go ahead and keep track of your finances and you bank with Citibank and you want to use the Rocket Money app. How do you actually connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on linked accounts. And then from here, click on add institution. Now you're going to see a list of banks here that can actually connect with the Rocket Money app. Go ahead and scroll down until you find Citibank Online and click on Citibank Online. Now, once you've done so, you can see that there's this software called Plaid that opens up. Plaid is what's going to connect your Citibank account to your Rocket Money app. It connects it in seconds and it keeps your data safe. So simply just follow the on-screen prompts from here and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Citibank account with your Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.